Whoa, and just like that, the Midwest gets cold. D7 here with Grok Trades Weekend Edition. Good through Sunday, October 6th, 2019, and the markets. In the day, Thursday and Friday was very, very bullish. Big rally back after a bearish week. Look, we have the spiders, diamonds, the NASDAQ up over 1%. Small caps a little laggy. Financials up nearly 2%. US dollar down. Crude oil up 1%. Silver, gold break even. VIX, though, decreasing by 11%. We're right at 17. Bitcoin at 8,000 continues to soften and soften and soften. Looking here at the markets. Wow. Big bearish, nasty couple weeks. Thursday we broke down. Let's check this out. Okay, I want you guys to follow me here. The S&P 500, very, very important. We look here at support. This is June 3rd, 2019. You can see the date down here at the bottom. I'm using TradingView, and the link's down in the description if you want to use TradingView. A lot of us are starting to use this now. But we go up. We hit again on August 14th, and then again August 23rd. Then we broke it on Wednesday, and that was October 2nd. We broke it. That was big time trouble. I almost did a video that day saying, watch out, man. On Thursday, we go down, 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 and then we did an about face. Up, 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 and then we closed above that trend line. I said it's healed. It came down. It gives us what's called a technical jab. So when you leave the channel, you break a support line, but you immediately heal itself. It comes back. It's a technical jab. That jab can get really bullish. You can get jabs to the upside too. If you got a channel, you break through resistance, but you immediately come right back down into it. That could get really bearish. So we have a good chance of going bullish here. However, if you look here, we got a symmetrical triangle. You see this pattern with the red line and the blue line coming up. And we're caught up in the moving averages. This, on the daily chart, looks like we could be getting in a lot of turbulence, a lot of choppiness going into this week. And, whoa, I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's a big time helicopter going over my house here. Wow, that was a big one. And it sounds like it's really low. Anyway, so it looks like in the short term we could get just a lot of choppiness going on here going into the week. The thing that I'm very interested in is the weekly here. This is the weekly chart on the S&P 500, and look what happened. Weekly, on the weekly chart, we go up, 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 a little bull pullback, and then we broke down below two major trend lines. But on Thursday and on Friday, we rallied back, closing above this line. Gang, just to put this in perspective, this swing low was in December 2018, okay? We go up, we hit this low, okay? This is a major swing. If we broke that, especially the last two swings, this one's here in May 2019 and August 2019, these are two trend lines. If it broke those, this video would have warning, warning, warning all over it, saying we are in dire trouble. But it healed itself. Thursday and Friday was a miracle rally to heal the weekly charts and the daily charts. Never ceases to amaze me that the markets, the last 2 years, the last 3 years, every time it flirts with death, it just gets past the point of no return and rallies back immediately. It's funny how the markets can always does that. It bails us out every time. So I think we have a good chance of going bullish on the weekly chart, and I think that we have a good chance of blasting through a lot of this. Next week could be a little turbulent, but after that, I foresee good upside opportunity here in the markets. Now, anything can happen. This market could fall out of bed first thing Monday, Tuesday. It could just crash and burn. Markets can do anything it wants to. However, I've been trading 21 years. in the live markets utilizing technical analysis, meaning that I analyzing the charts. All I'm doing is sharing with you what I see now and the information that I have at this moment and what is probably most probable going into the future. Doesn't mean that's what's going to happen, of course. It can do whatever it wants to. It can do whatever it wants to. The monthly, doesn't mean, I mean, the monthly is over. Let me just show it to you. You can't look at the most recent candlestick because that's only 4 days of trading data. But the rest of it, you can see how we're staying at resistance. If we do go bullish and we bust up past this resistance, just expect more upside opportunity. We have a big, nasty bearish divergence. If we do break higher, it will break that bearish divergence line, and all is well in the markets. All is well. So if I go over here, let's look at diamonds. We're going to look at just dailies here. The diamonds, we popped up. The NASDAQ, we popped up, but we're at resistance, guys. That's problematic. It didn't heal itself. And it's showing me some relative weakness here. Small caps, this is the Russell's 2000. Let me get rid of some lines here. We broke down, that's a jab, so this could get really bullish quickly. So the jab, this could get really bullish, guys. That could be even maybe a death hook on the symmetrical triangle for you 301 and 401 mentor students. Just be watching that. Wow. Financials, bouncing off support, biggest triangle, look for upside opportunity here. US dollar, we're at resistance and we're breaking down. That should help the markets as a whole and other commodities. Crude oil has been down, 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 down. It busted past it. This is that jab, and then it crashed down. Now we could be getting another jab, but we're on the wrong side. Crude oil is showing a lot of weakness right now. Silver is a big bull flag. Look for silver to be going higher. Gold, big bull flag. Look for gold to be going higher. VIX had a nice rally. Now it's coming back down. Okay, coming back down. We're at 17. So fear is decreasing. Bitcoin had this big nasty breakdown. It's staying low. I still hold Bitcoin. It's the long-term hold for me. I want to look at a stock, Apple, to show you something on Apple, guys, on a tech stock. Big rising wedge, but on Friday we gap higher and break the trend line. So this is not a rising wedge anymore. Not a rising wedge. Not a rising wedge. So I could probably go here. Let me do this. I'll do this on camera. Oops. I'd be looking at that line too. And you can see where that line acted as resistance here. So that's a good line. That's a good line. We popped out. That would be a next area of resistance, which would happen to put us around 230 on Apple. But Apple's looking pretty bullish right now. So, which is the biggest, the most liquid asset out there. So it's telling me that we have some relative strength, which is very interesting to see. So anyway, that's it. All right. We are doing something, and we just concluded. I'm doing this video on a Saturday morning, and it's freezing here. I had to put on my fleece. I've got my coffee. But we just finished with our first inaugural Grok Trading Club, and it went great. It went an hour. And we got into the broad markets. Mark showed everybody our this week's Stock Picks V newsletter. So regardless if you're a subscriber or not, everyone got it free. You got to see our picks for this going into this next week on what we're looking to trade. And it was good. We all have our video cameras on, and I didn't market it out to everybody. I just mentioned it a couple times on videos and had a small group come in. I do have a trading club, over 500 people. I haven't even introduced it to them yet. I'm going to introduce it to them next time. which is November 2nd. Matter of fact, what I'll probably do down in the description, I'll give you the recording. And everyone chips in $5 for it to be part of the club. So it's a premium thing. It just weeds out the riffraff. And I'll put it down there just so you guys have access to it. So there's some links down in the description, but I'll put the recording just so you have it and you can check it out and watch it. But it's very time sensitive, right? So you got to watch it fairly soon if it's going to mean anything to you. So I hope that's of benefit to you guys. Hopefully you can get registered for the next one. How you can get registered is go to Grok Trade. Go to Grok Trade, and actually let me just go to Grok Trade. Once you go there, scroll down to the very, not the very bottom, almost the very bottom, and right there. Actually, that is interesting. I need to make a change on that because I'm asking for first and last name because I don't. This is in everyone's like paying $5. So again, this is for traders who want to be part of the community. We're not looking for aliases and stuff. So if you want to be a part, great. That's how you do it. A lot of people are asking about our upcoming classes. 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You can find out about that here. Trading Mentor. The Stock Picks V newsletter that you're going to get free on this. It's a weekly thing. You're going to get this week's free. That's what we're showing in the club. We have some free webinars. We do these on a regular basis. Feel free to join us, in the webinars. So that's it. Hope you guys are doing well. And if you made it, tell me that you made it to the end. Say, hey, made it. I made it to the end. Because most people don't. They watch 4 minutes on average and then they pill off. And how could you watch 4 minutes and not get to all the good stuff? Anyway, and I'd be interested to know, my girls, they're playing tennis. I play racquetball. Do you play any sports? I'm just interested to learn more about the people who watch my videos, and it's always interesting to know. You know more about me, but I don't get to know more about you. So just tell me, what sports do you play, or did you play, and what level? Were you in competition, collegiate? I mean, what? Just tell me, professional. Let us know what sports that you play or have played and what level. It'd be fun to know that. If you didn't play sports, maybe an instrument. Tell us what instrument you play. So that is it. So you guys have a good one. Take care. Have a great rest of the weekend. And if you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. The comments I love because it allows me to hear from you. So I hear my wife coming in, the garage door going up. My dog's going to start barking here in a moment. So I need to go before Walter starts going ballistic. Catch you guys later. Bye.